Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can create a new space in your account on Perplexity AI. For example, if you'd like to save and organize your conversations in a specific category. So let us guide you through it and show you how it works in 2026. Navigate to Perplexity AI, log into your account and select spaces here on the left hand side. Next, create a new space here. And for example, you may start or initiate the first conversation of the new space here. For example, and you may, for example, upload files also or paste a text from a different conversation to include it here into this conversation, save it. You may also give it a title here at the top, like my first space or something like that. For example, space. You may add also instructions here to the right, click into it, and for example, provide the artificial intelligence with information or instructions how it should craft the responses and answers to you. For example, you may use up to 8,000 characters for that. Use this or that language, that tone, include this or that information. You may customize also the search settings here, for example, and include web as a search source and also for context. Click into save here at the bottom. And that's it. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.